When it comes to powerful, versatile, and intelligent cleaning solutions, this Dyson V11 Animal Cordless Vacuum Cleaner stands out. Designed for homes with pets, this vacuum offers a range of features that make it a must-have for anyone seeking a deep clean. Let's explore why the Dyson V11 Animal is a game-changer in the world of cordless vacuums. Why choose the Dyson V11 Animal? The Dyson V11 Animal Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a comprehensive cleaning solution. Here's why it stands out. Powerful suction. Twice the suction of any other cord-free vacuum. Intelligent cleaning automatically adapts power and runtime based on floor type. Advanced filtration captures 99–97% of dust and allergens. Versatile tools, engineered attachments for every cleaning need. Long battery life, up to 60 minutes of fade-free power. Quiet operation, acoustically engineered for reduced noise. Easy maintenance, hygienic bin emptying and reusable filter. Durable design, built to last with a 2-year warranty and lifetime support. The Dyson V11 Animal boasts 40% more suction power than its predecessor, the Dyson V8. Its Dyson digital motor V11 spins at up to 125,000 RPM, creating powerful suction that can tackle even the most stubborn dirt and debris. With twice the suction of any other cord-free vacuum, it's engineered to deliver a deep clean across all floor types, ensuring that your home is spotless. One of the standout features of the Dyson V11 Animal is its dynamic load sensor DLS system. This intelligent system automatically changes the motor speed between carpets and hard floors, optimizing suction and run time. This means you get the right balance of power and efficiency for every type of floor, without having to manually switch modes. The Dyson V11 Animal is equipped with a whole machine filtration system that captures 99–97% of microscopic dust particles as small as 0.3 microns. This ensures that dust and allergens are trapped inside the vacuum, expelling cleaner air into your home. For households with allergy sufferers or pets, this advanced filtration system is a significant advantage. One of the biggest concerns with cordless vacuums is battery life. The Dyson V11 Animal addresses this with its lighter, yet more powerful 7-cell lithium-ion batteries, offering up to 60 minutes of fade-free power. The actual runtime may vary based on power mode and attachments used, but this extended battery life means you can clean larger areas without needing to recharge frequently. The Dyson V11 Animal is designed for whole home cleaning. It easily transforms into a handheld vacuum for quick cleanups, spot cleaning, and cleaning difficult-to-reach areas. The vacuum comes with a range of Dyson-engineered tools, including torque drive head, automatically adapts suction and power for deep cleaning different floor types. Mini motorized tool, perfect for removing pet hair and dirt from carpets and upholstery. Crevice tool, designed for cleaning tight spaces. Stubborn dirt brush, great for scrubbing away ground in dirt. Combination tool, a versatile tool for general cleaning. These tools ensure that you can clean high, low, and everywhere in between with ease. Cleaning can be a noisy task, but the Dyson V11 Animal is acoustically engineered to minimize unpleasant sounds. Acoustic baffles built into the motor divert direct sound and improve airflow, making the vacuum quieter to use. This is particularly beneficial for households with pets or small children who might be disturbed by loud noises. Maintenance is straightforward with the Dyson V11 Animal. The vacuum features a point-and-shoot bin emptying mechanism, allowing you to dispose of dirt hygienically. Additionally, the washable filter can be reused for the lifetime of the machine, reducing waste and saving costs on replacements. The vacuum also comes with a docking station that stores and charges the machine while holding additional attachments. This ensures that the vacuum is always ready to go whenever you need it. Dyson vacuums are known for their durability, and the V11 Animal is no exception. It is made from strong materials selected for their lightweight properties, making it easy to maneuver around your home. Plus, Dyson offers a 2-year warranty and lifetime support, giving you peace of mind and ensuring that your vacuum will last for years to come. Conclusion: the Dyson V11 Animal Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to maintain a clean and healthy home, especially those with pets. Its powerful suction, intelligent features, and versatile tools make it an excellent investment. Whether you need to deep clean carpets, tackle pet hair, or clean hard-to-reach areas, the Dyson V11 Animal is up to the task. Transform your cleaning routine with a Dyson V11 Animal and enjoy the convenience and efficiency of a truly advanced cordless vacuum. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.